Aphorism number 111. The agreement of my observations on the pure effects of medicines with these older ones, although they were recorded without reference to any therapeutic object, and the very concordance of these accounts with others of the same kind by different authors, must easily convince us that medicinal substances act in the morbid changes they produce in the healthy human body according to fixed eternal laws of nature, and by virtue of these are enabled to produce certain reliable disease symptoms, each according to its own peculiar character. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about proving of poisonous drugs. My observations on the pure effects of medicines, even though they are recorded without reference to any therapeutic object, were agreed similar to these old records. They are very similar to same kind of different authors, must easily convince us that the medicinal substances act and produce morbid changes in the healthy human body according to fixed eternal laws of nature, and because of that only these medicines are enabled to produce certain reliable disease symptoms, each according to its own peculiar character. Aphorism number 112. In those older prescriptions of the often dangerous effects of medicines ingested in excessively large doses, we notice certain states that were produced not at the commencement but towards the termination of these sad events, and which were of an exactly opposite nature to those that first appeared. These symptoms, the very reverse of the primary action, in aphorism number 63, or proper action of the medicines on the vital force, are the reaction of the vital force of the organism, its secondary action, in aphorism number 62 to 67, of which, however, there is seldom or hardly ever the least trace from experiments with moderate doses on healthy bodies, and from small doses known whatever. In the homeopathic curative operation, the living organism react from these only so much as is requisite to raise the health again the normal healthy state, in aphorism number 67. Explanation of 112. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about primary and secondary action of vital force. In older days, when large doses of medicines are prescribed due to dangerous effects of such large doses of medicines, we notice certain states were produced not at the commencement but towards the termination. This state were of an exactly opposite nature to those that appeared first. First appeared state was because of primary action, but this state we notice at the termination is because of secondary action of vital force. That's why it is reverse, opposite of proper action of medicine. This state produced due to secondary action of vital force is found seldomly or least trace from the experiments with moderate doses on healthy bodies, and it's almost not found in experiments with small doses. In homeopathic curative operation, the living organism react from the action of medicine only as much as required to raise the health again the normal healthy state, as given in aphorism number 67.